Amanda, do you want to say anything before you do this?
I'm watching my life pass before my eyes.
Alright, wish you were here.
Thomas, she's doing this for you. Woo!
That was fun! Tommy, let's do it together.
Oh, there goes Richie. Not that Thomas will care about that, but... Woo!
That was awesome. Judah, let's do it. The only one I got
Rebecca, are these yours?
I got you, man. Yeah.
I love all these.
Me too.
Come on, Tommy,
Yeah.
come here.
You can have some. I'm sorry there's no chicken kebab. They're in my
Hot dog
nose.
and chicken. Hot dog and chicken.
Yay!
All right, let's
Wait, I thought we were going to gym next tomorrow after church. What do you think, Amanda?
That was cool. I feel like a kid again.
Yay!